Hello, in this video, I will show you how to download Photoshop for free, Windows 11. So first, go to any web browser and then create Adobe account. So you can go to Microsoft Edge or you can go to Google web browser and then here type on Adobe and then click at the very first link that you can see here. And then after that, create an account. But if you have an account already, and then all you have to do is to tap on Start Free Trial or Sign In. So you can also go to the upper side and look for the Photoshop feature. If you click this one, then all you have to do here is to basically click free trial. For 7 days, you will not pay for anything. And I think this is the only legit way to download Photoshop for free for 7 days. But if you want to proceed, then all you have to do is to upgrade your plan. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So you have two options, but the other one is for Adobe Express. All you have to do is click at the Photoshop. And then as you can see here, for this time or at this very moment, you will not pay for anything. So as you can see, you are billed zero right here for 7 days. So you can download and use Adobe for 7 days. But after that, you will be billed with this amount right here. So basically, this is the only way and how to download Adobe. This is not to misinform you, but this is just to show you that the other methods are not legit and too risky to do. So here you just have to enter your mail and then add your payment method. It could be your PayPal, it could be your debit or credit card, but no worries, you will not pay for anything. You will be billed zero this time. So after that, once you have added the information, you can now download Photoshop for free and use it for 7 days. But after that, you will be billed with this specific amount right here if you want to continue or proceed. So basically, that's how easy it is to download Photoshop for free, Windows 11.